So today I am going to try a soft date night look for today because of course I'm going on a date and I hate leaving my face without going anywhere, obviously. So let's get started. So the first thing I always do, I'm using natural lighting today, guys. I'm trying to catch it before, you know, the sun falls. Hopefully. Why am I always do that. I always look into the camera knowing dang well I have a mirror right here. It might take me back to Brazil palette. It's not the palette we're using today. So we're going to take our NYX Tame and Frame. I never give y'all like the real name. Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. Actually, no, we're not gonna start with that today. I'm sorry, y'all. We're gonna start with the Tarte Base Tape because I got it for free at Ulta, and it's a hydrating primer, base hydration, and I am not very hip on like skincare products, which I should, but I'm trying to get into different stuff because I need to. If you want to be an MUA, you have to apply things properly. You feel me? And you gotta try different stuff. And this stuff is so lightweight. It smells like I'd say like, I want to say baby lotion. I don't know. It just smells like really, really good. Okay, now we have the base tape on. We are going to start with the brows officially now. So, take my angled brush as usual. It's from actually it's called Small Angle Brush. I'm trying to get technical for y'all so y'all know exactly what to get when y'all looking for it. Alright, now that both eyebrows are done, we're gonna go to the next step, and y'all know what that is. The eyeshadow. I'm going to kind of do a look like, kind of like, it's gonna be like a natural type of look, but it's gonna have like brown tones. Kind of doing like one of my looks that I've done before, but I'm using a different palette because last time I used my BH Cosmetics palette for this look, and this time I'm going to use my Morphe 350M. So it's going to be a tad bit different, but hopefully y'all like get the concept of what I was trying to do. So for this look, I'm too lazy to wash my brushes, so we're gonna do a one brush tutorial. I'm gonna use this brush for everything except contouring. So let's get started. So the colors I'm clearly gonna start with is this light one, then this dark one, then I'm gonna come in with this dark one. I have to pick like multiple shades so I can recreate this look that I made. And then I'm gonna do my cut crease, and I'm gonna come in with this, the same dark in right here, the same brown here, and then this one here. I'm gonna use the same colors with the crease and everything, so everything's gonna like come together. Everything's gonna be A1, everything's gonna be lit. Okay, now I'm gonna come in with that warmer color. Okay. Now I'm gonna come in with that darker color that was in the middle. These browns, they apply like I wouldn't say really heavy, but they apply greatly. So you don't need to like constantly keep dipping it like over and over and over again. Like maybe twice, 3 times, but it won't be too tedious. This palette, I actually like this palette, but I would say with a this is more of a fall type of palette for me. If I wanted to do like a neutral palette, my favorite would be the BH Cosmetics Neutral. So now I'm gonna come in with that really darker shade. The one that's like a tar color. I'll come in with that. I forgot the brush that I'm using. It's an e.l.f. brush. It's a e.l.f. blending brush. Damn. Okay, so we'll clean up the sides and everything afterwards when we start applying the foundation. But now we are going to do the cut crease. I'm gonna take that same, I think it's a smudge brush that I use to outline my brows, but it's from my AOA Studio F16 brush from Shop Miss A. I love this brush because it gives you like a lot of control when it comes to cut creases. Okay, now that it's done, we are going to let that side dry. So since I said we were doing the one brush technique, I'm gonna take that same brush again. And I did say that we were going to do the light color, the same colors as before. So I'm gonna start off with that light color again, but I'm gonna bring it in the center of my eye. I mean the front. Okay, now we are going to do that brown shade. Okay guys, couldn't finish my look with the natural lighting look. Date night look. If you like this look, please give it a thumbs up. If not, just comment and tell me what I should do differently. Thank you, Glam Babes.